I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Denovator, where my experiences become your adventure. Remember to please subscribe, and please hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. Today we're going to explore the city of Omega, and then we're going to go to a unique grave site that's located here in Omega. So please join me. This is Highway 319. If you head that way, you head to the city of Tifton. And if you head this way, you head to the city of Moultrie. Over to the right is Omega City Hall. The city of Omega lies in Tift County, with some of its outlying areas lying in Colquitt County. It looks like Oak Street used to be the main part of town. We just missed the Pepper Festival, which was the second weekend in September. And there's the Omega Water Tower. Three Chicks and a Hen is a specialty gift and boutique store. It is taking advantage of the new revitalization of the old downtown. The Omega Pharmacy, established in 1975. I like the sign over here, Apothecary and Remedies. You got bed bugs, Omega Hardware's got you covered. El Paraiso has ice cream and frozen yogurt. Across the street, there's this broken piece of pottery with a stack of old glass bottles. A few of the buildings in this area were built back in the early 1900s. Let's go explore this old building sitting over here. Omega is the last letter of the Greek alphabet, which means end. And of course, you can't have Omega without Alpha. This building apparently was last used as a tire shop because of this sign that states that there is no warranty on used tires. This back wall looks like the front of the Alamo almost. That's all that remains of this once adjoining building. There's another view of the water tower. And over here looks like a Veterans Memorial. Let's go check it out. This area is the Omega Veterans Memorial Park. It's dedicated to all veterans who served in all wars in the military services of the United States of America. There's also a memorial for Omega's local heroes. From this park, we will now walk northeastward down Georgia Avenue. Here's the old Omega Fire Department. The new Omega Fire Department is located west of town on 319. Omega was established in 1905, and its name was probably given to signify the end of a railroad line in this area. This little building appears to be used as storage, and look at this antique ceiling tile over the entrance. I'm going to cross Oak Street and continue down Georgia Avenue. This historical section of town, in my opinion, could be an ultimate destination to visit once the revitalization is complete. Here's an old millstone on the corner of Georgia and Maple that was probably used in a local grist mill. Millstones grinded wheats and grains. Omega seems to be a big farming community. I've seen some peanut companies and I've seen some cotton gins on the way to this location. There goes a truck full of peanuts right there. And with the farmers, I'm sure the Omega Farm Supply is a popular place. Today is not a hot day, it's a humid day in South Georgia. Over on Ellenton Road is where that peanut company's at. It's the Omega Peanut Company, to be exact. South Georgia has a lot of these ice dispensers located throughout the state. Over on 319, there's a Mexican restaurant, a pantry and gift store, And across the street is the Children's Medical Center. I wonder if this old abandoned place is haunted.
Located also on 319,
there's a Susie Q Foods and Restaurant and a gas station. Another gas station. And over here is the Dollar Tree. These are some random steps. Apparently they must have been an old building located right there at one time. This is the Maple Street Church. What I found interesting here is right over here to the right. It's the old hearse. Looks like it hadn't been ran in a little bit. It's a Cadillac. I wonder if somebody's in the back. Nope.
and located northeast on Florida Avenue. On the corner of Florida Avenue and Oak Street is the Omega Baptist Church.
I have noticed people put these owls in areas where they want to keep down the pigeons and the other birds from flocking and making a mess on the ground. And it looks like it's been working. Let's go over and look at this. This well is on somebody's property, so I'm not going to peep in there. But it looks like I see some weeds growing up, so I would assume it's just a yard prop. It's not an authentic deep well, but it does look cool. And that rock looks cool too. Let's take one more view here at 319 across Omega.
Now let's head over to the Omega Cemetery.
So we find our way to the Omega Cemetery, which was established in 1917.
The first gravesite we will visit is the final resting place of George Washington Dodson. He was once a Confederate soldier. He was also once married to Mary Robinson Clark. According to writings on his grave, he appears to have had 7 children. He died on the 2nd of April, 1883 at the age of 60, which makes him the recorded oldest grave in the Omega Cemetery that I was able to find. He is buried next to who I presume is one of his children named Samuel George Dodson and his wife Ara. Written on George Washington Dodson's grave is also the phrase, "End of the journey." Well, Omega does mean end, but this is not quite the end of our journey today. The final interesting gravesite that we will visit is located on the east side of the Omega Cemetery.
This is the gravesite of Jerry Byron Corbitt.
Jerry Byron Corbitt was born near here in the city of Tifton, Georgia. He was a member of the 1960s rock band, the Youngbloods. He was a singer and played the piano, the harmonica, and the lead guitar. In 1994, the Youngbloods' 1969 re-released hit song Get Together was featured in the blockbuster movie Forrest Gump, which starred Tom Hanks. Jerry Byron Corbitt died at the age of 71 on the 8th of March 2014 in Smiley, Texas. He was laid to rest here at the Omega Cemetery beside his parents, Byron and Mary Corbitt.
Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video today of our adventure through Omega and here to the Omega Cemetery to visit the grave of Jerry Byron Corbitt. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Danovator. I'll see y'all the next time.